This is the third video of my UGNX basic series. Today we are going to cover basics of some sketch. In that we will learn how to create sketch, how to use different geometric constraint, how to make it completely constraint, how to use correlations, how to project a curve, and how to reattach a curve to a different plane. So let's begin. Open your UGNX software. After that, create a new part. In that I am giving name as sketch basics. Select the location where you have to save the part. Here should be model and unit should be in millimeters. Let's hit OK. After that our modeling window will open. Here one datum coordinate system is already present. So go to the sketch or you can add planes to it also. So I am adding right now, I am adding 3 planes such as ZX plane, ZY plane and XY plane. Go to the sketch and hit OK. I am just making a random sketch to show you. Hence my sketch is completed. Let me add one circle at 2-3 places also. So whenever we create a sketch, UGNX always give dimensions. So whatever the grid dimensions, it's auto generated. And if I click on any dimension, if I give the exact value to it, it's 38. If I hit OK, it become blue. So never kept grid dimension in your sketch. And if you see on the bottom side, it is showing that sketch is fully constrained with 17 auto dimensions. There should be 0 auto dimensions and your sketch should be fully constrained. So one by one give dimension. See, if there are the complex sketches, always try to constrain one line or one part. From that you have to constrain other parts. Right now I am taking this line to constrain from the origin. So I am giving dimension to that line as a x direction and in y direction. And this is 33 and this is 24. So I constrain that line and I will constrain other lines with respect to that. So it's see what are the blue dimensions which is given by us. What are the gray dimensions is generated by UGNX software. There are certain angles are remaining to give. Right now I want these two circles in the one line. So I am going to use the geometric constraints. So near the rapid dimension command, go to the more option and select geometric constraint. So we use geometric constraint that reduce our dimensions. If there are certain lines which should be the exact length, we should have exact length. If there are circles which should have the same dimensions or diameter, we have to use the geometric constraint. Here these two circles should have the same diameter. So I am selecting here is equal radius as an option. This automatic selection progression should be tick mark. So whenever you select first part, it automatically go to the next command and you can select other part. So I am selecting this circle. After that, this circle. The both having same diameter. You can clearly see there is the equal symbol is there. That's the geometrical constraint symbol. So it is showing that they both having the same dimension. So let me give the diameter of one. This is the 15. Let me make it 20. Otherwise also will change. Okay. Then I want both center points should be in one line in a horizontal direction. So again I will go to the geometric constraint, and there is one option that horizontal alignment. Select that, select both center points, they both are horizontally aligned. Then give dimensions to them. Right now my sketch is completely constrained. You can clearly see on the bottom side that sketch is fully constrained. Okay, then hit finish sketch and go to the extrude command. I selected connected curves, so outer line curves got selected and the circles are remaining. I want to keep it remaining, so I'm just hitting OK, putting some value. So right now I covered how to create a sketch, how to use geometric constraint, and how to make it completely constrained. Let me tell you how to use correlation and how to project a curve. Go to the sketch again. If I have to activate that command, I will double click on it. Sketch command is got activated. So see, whenever we give the dimensions, when it become blue, there are certain numbers appear before the dimension, such as P18, P17. So right now, just consider that this P222 is 35. If I want to make this dimension as the same as this dimension, so I will double click on it. Its number is P22. So here in the number section, I will put P22. So right now, whenever you will change these dimensions, this will also get changed. This is a correlation system, dimension correlation. Yes. Right now, consider this sketch is created on XY plane. If you have some other plane on some certain distance, let's take 100 distance, and you have to take this sketch to on this plane. It's called reattachment. So you have to put it plane on above the sketch command. Then go to the sketch, activate it. In the sketch section there will be a reattach option should be there. No, sorry, in the more option you will get reattach option. Reattach, it is telling you to select a plane. I am selecting this plane. I've selected the plane and hit OK. As you can clearly see, my sketch is directly jump from that plane to this plane. So I reattached my sketch to other planes. For reattaching purpose, the plane should always be parallel. Let me show you how to project a curve. So if you are, I'm going to make another sketch on this plane. If you have already some curves present and you have to use that curve, so you can directly use the project command. In the sketch curve section, there will be project command is there, project curve. I'm selecting this circle to get projected. These two circles to get projected. Hit OK and finish sketch. As you can see, on the second sketch, two circles are created. Whenever I change the dimension of this circle, that two circles dimensions also get changed. So I covered all the points from reattaching case to project curve. Thanks. Stay connected to me for upcoming videos.